it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? America's Gamer here with another reaction. Guys, all right. I'm doing it. May I do it now? Yeah, me have to short this because on that stress note in the comment section. There's been plenty of the videos them people saying react to MUGS. Hope I'm getting your name right, G. MUGS, MUGZ. MUGS, sorry, MUGS. Them say if you react to MUGS, Kalling, and them say one vent, Kalling and vent. So this is Kalling, we're gonna react to MUGS. For the first time, we're going to 101. Alright? When don't think we're gonna do it, don't think we're gonna make it a regular thing for bully me in the comment section, do you know? Don't do it, you know. Alright. Why we are doing that one because more than 10 different people are telling us to do it. So we are gonna do it. So I wanna see what's about. Let's go. MUGS, Kalling.
I'm gonna get stinking rich. I'm gonna tell you about no stink wet. People ask me and I say, I was there, so me I talk about $850 million. Some people
them rich the man talk about $850 million US. Them thing that the man talk about, yeah? So when him say stinking rich, him no mean say yo, someone La France, no, not upon that. No.
I'm gonna get stinking rich. I'm gonna tell you about no stink wet. People ask me and I say, I was there, so me I talk about $850 million. Some people see my brain and they know all me I think, but the man named G.O.D. the man they know my
I have to know man a top cook. Skull for job tips, so I can drop book, we bang a phone to hot too.
I see what you did there. MUGS. Make up yourself. I see.
I have to know man a top cook.
Yeah.
Skull for drop tips, so I can drop book, we bang.
Skull for drop tips, so I can drop boop. I never heard that saying before. And I say, yo, why you so greedy? It's like, me if you drop beam and you if you drop boof. No, brother. Like, you want everything. No, if boss tell you say yes, skull if you drop tip and if you drop boof, him want everything what it's called have. Yes, that's what I'm saying.
And I know all me I think, but the man named G.O.D. the man they know my
I have to know man a top cook. Skull for drop tips, so I can drop book, we bang a phone to hot tool.
Hot tool.
Better don't make it bang a tone, catch a flat foot, come a smooth with the fraud like Miss Andrew, so me demonstrate how millions look.
Pull up! Yo!
We're not going to speed past that.
Let's go!
We're not going to speed past that part that I'm saying about Andrew. You know that, right? Just saying.
Cut me away from for bless me. I'm gonna get stinking rich. I'm gonna tell you about no stink wet. People ask me and I say, I was there, so me I talk about $850 million. Some people see my brain and they know all me I think, but the man named G.O.D. the man they know my
I have to know man a top cook.
Skull for drop tips,
I can drop book, we bang a phone to hot tool. Better don't make it bang a tone, catch a flat foot, come a smooth with the fraud like Miss Andrew.
I'm smooth with the fraud like Mr. Andrew. Which Andrew you attack? Big Nose Andrew you attack? No, not Big Nose. Sorry, Prime Minister. Who you attack? Andrew Honest? I mean attack fraud.
Better don't make it bang a tone, catch a flat foot, come a smooth with the fraud like Miss Andrew. So me demonstrate how millions look. Me never want go so down, Miss Watson. Me just want everything when at the bank book.
Never want go so down. Mr. Watson, me never want to do it. You force me to do it. The only thing me do want is everything in the bank book, brother. Me never want to go that route, but guess what? You force me to go that route, yeah? With that route, with it. Go so down.
Me never want go so down, Mr. Watson. Me just want everything when at the bank book. Come on, rich bad. It's
oh, rich bad.
Saying wanting cash, so me charge him again and me no call him back.
Pull up!
Yo! No, me see why you not react to this. Because I don't know I'm still over here. Now me see why you not react to this. I'm sorry it took so long. MUGS, big up yourself, bro. I'm now a fan. May I go subscribe after this? Yeah. Subscribe to him, Viva.
I have to know man a
Stop crook. skull fit drop.
Tips, so
Come
me
on,
can drop.
drop.
Boop, me bang a phone to
And
hot tool.
hot tool.
Better don't make it bang a tone, catch a flat foot, come a smooth with the fraud like Mr. Andrew. So me demonstrate how millions look. Me never want go so down, miss a what, so me just want everything when at the bank book. Come on, rich bad. This color ball saying wanting cash, so me charge him again and me no call him back.
No call him back.
Brawling chop and the calling up, Mr. Paul sell the house and the rocket fan.
Mr. Paul sell the house and the rotted van. Then left Mr. Paul even homeless. He can't even go in and van go see because you have to sell the van too. Everything out of bank book creep out. Creep out. Yeah. Creep out.
A brawling chop and the calling up,
War
Mr.
rich
Paul
man.
sell the house and the rocket fan. They dwelling I fraud, I'm a calling that. No we beast double park on the parking lot. Me nah live right, but me nah live wrong. And mama still accept me nah see God.
Me nah live right, but me nah live wrong. That is a statement right there. Me not living right, but guess what? Me still not live wrong. In my eyes, I'm not living wrong. I ain't doing nothing wrong. Me a chop. Me a chop because I have to. Yeah. Mommy ask me every day, young boy, you not gonna see God? No, mommy, me not ready yet. Me have God already. My God.
They dwelling I fraud, I'm a calling that. No we beast double park on the parking lot. Me nah live right, but me nah live wrong. Mama still accept me nah see God. Come here, bang a line brawling. Dwelling I fraud, cause fraud, I'm a calling. I'm a rich like sell nothings. Don't son never like school from morning.
Me rich like sell. Me rich like sell the white lady. Me rich like sell Amins powder. Me rich like sell flour. Me rich like sell Diet Coke. Me never like school from morning. Remember some done from them time now. That's how the G tell not me.
I'm a rich like sells nothings. Don't son never like school from morning. Me turn it up and then me call me that too bad bitch and 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Look the guns on the line, me retarded. School send a million, me still gon' charge him.
This call said a million, I still go charge him. You know why? Because him have it, I know him have it, I want it.
Guns on
Greedy.
the line, me retarded. School send a million, me still gon' charge him. Bang that line. Miss Morgan, you better have that fine for your bite that charge and the cash pan time. Hey, my cabby, I work on a client that tied. Me never know I saw the cash flip nice one call. Everything in your bank is mine. Me book a fee 5-0 from big giant. I'ma tie that blood clot tongue with science.
Me book a fee 5-4 from that a big giant. And in tie down. Shoes lace. Chop all in. Tie down.
Fine for your bite that charge and the cash pan time. Hey, my cabby, I work on a client that tied. Me never know I saw the cash flip nice one call. Everything in your bank is mine. Me book a fee 5-0 from big giant. I'ma tie that blood clot tongue with science. Call me out on the line, darling. Well, in I fraud, cause fraud, I'm a calling. I'm a rich like sells nothings. Don't son never like school from morning. Me turn it up and then me call me that too bad bitch in 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I don't span the line, me retarded. Schools in a million, I'm still gon' charge him. Me bang a line with brilliance. A one phone call bring 5-6 figures.
Me bang a line with brilliance, brother. With brilliance. A one phone call bring 5 to 6 million, dog. Look at me, need to quit my job. Me need to quit my job, man. Anybody that leech it? No, left that. Cancel upon this. Let's go.
Me bang a line with brilliance. A one phone call bring 5-6 figures. Fully game head up on the line weeping off. 1-6 all God favorite sinners.
Fully game head, dog. And not about PlayStation or PC gaming, no.
Me bang a line with brilliance. A one phone call bring 5-6 figures. Fully game head up on the line weeping off. 1-6 all God favorite sinners. If I no money don't talk to you, kill a little monkey. Watch how you they talk to gorilla. Me chant up a spell.
If I no money don't talk to you, kid, a little monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Watch how you talk to you, gorilla. Watch how you talk to you, youth.
No money don't talk to you, kill a little monkey. Watch how you they talk to gorilla. Me chant up a spell and them a gone with your millions of fraud. We live in a like a China religion.
Bomba. Me can cuss a bad word. Bomba clot.
From no money, don't talk to you. Kill a little monkey, watch how you they talk to gorilla. Me chant up a spell and them a gone with your millions of fraud. We live in a like a China religion. Come here, bang a line brawling. Girl in a fraud, cause fraud, I'm a calling. I'm a rich like them, me sells nothings. Don't son never like school from morning. Me turn it up and them a call me that too bad. Bitch in IQ, we a tardy. Don't span the line, me retarded. School send a million, I'm still gon' charge me. I have to know man a top crook. Skull for drop tip, calm at the drop boof. He bang a phone, turn a hot tool. Better don't make he bang a tone, get your flat foot. Smooth with the fraud like Miss Andrew. So me demonstrate how millions look. Name gone down in a devil black book. And me not stop till you all on the bankrupt. Come here, bang it like darling. Really like fraud, top fraud, I'm a calling. I'm a rich like some sells nothing. Don't send them like some morning.
What's going on? Spend money. Money what?
Don't spend the land with the tardy. Don't send a million, I'm still gon' charge him.
I want to apologize. I want to apologize to each and every one of you that tell me to react to this long time ago and I just know me react to it. I want to apologize. More rich bad. Yeah. More rich bad. Score if you drop team and me if you drop both. Yeah. More rich bad. 3-5-4 form. What me do? A giant. And tie him down. Yeah. Me want rich bad. But me say me want rich though. Me want rich bad. And me not stop until the wall out no bankrupt. Me not tap. So if anybody out there having a leadership, me can't say that again. What me I try to say that on the thing for? I must say police what you think too, you know. Yo, officer, big up on yourself, you know what you think. Is it? Yeah, man. Mugs, big up on yourself, dog. I'm going to react to some more of your song, then, brother. You're bad like a tender. Yo! You're bad like Gilbert. No fun, no Gilbert. No fun. You're bad like cancer. Heart attack. Yeah, serious. Mm-hmm. Yeah, my G. You're bad. So I'm going to react to some more of your song, them. Big up the people who pipe me with over your direction. Yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next one, for real, for real.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.